NT, you made this?
my lovelies. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. Ignore all of this. These are multivitamins. So we've got an unboxing to do, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. But anyway, welcome to another vlog. Thank you so much to my new subscribers that have just joined the family. You guys are highly welcome. Thank you for joining. It's a party here, not that kind of party, but definitely you gain something from this channel. It's a family vlog, lifestyle vlog, and all of that. But with time, you get to understand better. Anyway, let me not digress. You guys must have seen that I walked you through my morning, whatever. I cooked, went out, and all of that. But I didn't even show you guys when I was going out because I've been struggling with my body today, and this is like 8 o'clock. I've managed to get myself up. I haven't had my dinner. I haven't had my dinner yet, but I'm not gonna have anything much. I'll just have some yogurt. Yep, just so that I'm not hungry late at night. But we've got an unboxing to do. I've been waiting for this package for the past 1 month. Yep. So it's a Pilates. How do you guys call it? Yeah, it's a Pilates board and all of that. So I need to set it up for my exercise tomorrow, and then we got some dumbbells as well. Myself and my husband are taking our fitness whatever so serious this year, and I thought that we're going to share it with you guys, obviously, because we've been doing certain things. But anyway, let me quickly bring the box here, and then we'll do the unboxing while we talk. So let's check how this thing is. I don't know if I could put it like that. I could separate it like that. What's popping? Good morning, guys. So you guys must have seen that I've done my workout. I'm tired already. It looks like it's nothing, but it just, anyway, long explanation. But yeah, so I'm making breakfast for myself and my son. Today I'm kind of eating early because the only thing I had yesterday was the oat and then the swallow, and basically I didn't eat anything at night. Even the yogurt, I couldn't. I just went to sleep because I was so tired. My throat was paining me and everything. But anyway, I've come to show you guys my face. Aside from showing you guys my face, what was I was going to say something. What was that? Yeah. So I was meant to. I'm supposed to take my son to the dentist, but I haven't found the NHS free dentist clinic, so I'm gonna quickly search for it while I'm having my breakfast and see if we can make it there today. Let's see how I feel up to it. But if we're not able to go today, we'll go tomorrow. But I definitely need him to go to the dentist because he's been shouting he can't eat his snacks the way he used to, and I've been procrastinating about taking him to this dentist. I don't know why, but we're gonna try and go today or tomorrow. But definitely I'll keep you guys updated. I'll try and we'll do that, and then maybe the vlog is gonna end, but we'll see. Before the vlog ends, I'll let you guys know. And yep, so come with me, let's go sort breakfast out. I am also boiling some rice to have with the vegetable. I've got my eggs in there, so this is for my oats. I'm boiling that because that vegetable soup bang like, and I'm like, what are the odds? Why don't I use it to have, rice much later? So I need a measuring cup in this house. Honestly, I do. You guys ignore the mess in this place. Oops. What am I doing? So I'm gonna have that cup, my boiling water. Finished. That's it. I need to get some more by weekend anyway. This is a game changer. I used to think that it's just overrated or but it's not overrated, you guys. My milk, and then I'll add my milk. This is the honey I'm having, Manuka honey. From what I heard, they said this is one of the best. I don't know if you guys can see my face. So I heard this is one of the best honey. Oh god, my boy is coughing. Oh gosh. So yep, it's from New Zealand, and so far it's not so runny. I'll show you guys. That's how it looks on the inside. To be fair, it doesn't taste too sweet like the other ones that you feel like, oh, there's sugar in it. It actually tastes more natural than other honeys that I've tried. So if you're in the UK and you're looking for like more natural honey that doesn't have sugary taste, then go for Manuka oil. In Lidl is cheaper. In Tesco is about £5.50. Lidl is £4 something. Let me see. I think I've got the receipt here from yesterday that I went. It costs, just a minute, it cost £4.89 in Lidl. So you can decide to try it out if you want to. Hi my lovelies, good afternoon. So I was meant to take you guys today. I said hopefully I was going to take you guys today to the dentist with my son, but unfortunately it didn't work out how I wanted it to. Unfortunately it didn't work out like I wanted it to. We're looking for like free dentists, NHS free dentists for children, but some of the ones we've seen around our area are paid ones, so we decided to contact those ones, and they told us to fill the form on their website, blah blah blah. So we're going to go on Monday hopefully, because I'm working tomorrow and next. However, yes love, I've decided to come and end this vlog here. See, I've been ranting for the past 2 days on my WhatsApp about two topics: friendship and grace. Come on, sit down. I've been talking about friendship and grace, not grace in the essence that, hold on, let mommy finish talking, then you talk. Shh, let me finish talking.
Hello guys.
Asha, let me finish.
Stop me. Then stop me like that.
I need to talk first before you talk now. Let me finish talking to them.
Hello guys, how are you? Hello guys, how are you? Name Asha.
Thank you.
Hello guys.
Let me finish.
Look at this lollipop.
Yeah, very lovely. It's colorful.
Look, it has
Hey
rainbows.
God, this boy.
Look, it has rainbows on it.
Yes. Can I speak now, please?
No, not yet. I'm talking.
Subscribe to mommy's channel. Say
Please
subscribe
Please subscribe
to mommy's channel.
for mommy's channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let mommy talk to them now so that they will answer Asha. So, guys, I'm going to end the vlog today because a lot has just been going on. I've been exhausted partly because of cold. Like, cold really gets to me, it weakens my whole system and everything. And I'm also trying to get used to my new board that I got. You guys have seen it already. I'm sure I got some exercises wrong. I was just trying it test run. So please don't call for me. But anyway, those are the update I was going to give you guys. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. The more you comment, the more you like these vlogs, the more it's going to get suggested to people. I don't know how long I'm going to talk about it. And sharing, you know, my subscribers might be in your contact list. You can never tell. So please share in your on your WhatsApp status, share on your Instagram. Say, please, people should come and follow this woman. I beg, I'm tired of seeing her face. Follow, just share. Somebody will say, I like this lady, let me follow her. Please, please, please share so that they will follow me. A friend did that and I got 2 subscribers from her share. And by the way, welcome to you guys who just joined. I'm happy to have you on board. Please don't go anywhere. We're sharing popcorn and juice. I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Bye.